In this video, I'm going to show you how to add noise in Framer. Now, I do think there's a lot of different ways. However, I'm going to show you one quick one, which I do think is the easiest. Now, you want to go ahead and go to Layout up top, and then click on Frame here, and just create a frame. I'm going to create it over this text over here, because that's where I'm going to create some noise for this tutorial. And then when you've done that, you want to basically click on it, and then you want to change the mode to absolute, so we can basically move this around. Now, I'm going to go ahead and position this somewhere around here. There we go. And then what I'm going to do here is with that selected, with that rectangle selected, you want to go to styles, and where it says fill, you want to click on it. You want to click on image, and then from here, from type, change from fill to tile. And then in here, the first one under preset should be your noise here. And then all you have to do is, of course, adjust the scale. For example, let's say this is fine. Click out of here. And when you click back in, you can just close this up. And then over here, you can see the opacity. You can change the opacity down a bit. There we go. And there we go. We now do have noise in the background over here of our text. So that's how to add it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.